Hey there, friends and family. This is Kevin with Pacifica Tiny Homes. We're back with another episode for Pacifica Vibes, and today's title is going to be Do we do customized tiny homes? For a short answer, is going to be yes, but we're going to go into detail what we offer when we do customized tiny homes. Okay. So what we do is we try to make a unique vision. If you have the type of home that you want to get, we'll accommodate with you. We'll be able to do some customizations because we do have a very good talented team that works closely with you to understand your preferences, from your layout to interior finishes. Once we do our 3D model rendering, if you want anything that you want to meet to your specific needs, we can definitely do that into detail. Our customizations allow us to maximize the functionality of your tiny home, whether you desire a multi-purpose space, extra storage solutions, or any unique features. We can bring your ideas to life and create a tiny home that fits your lifestyle perfectly, because everybody does live in different locations. There's different states here. Of course, you can go in by the mountains, you can be by the ocean, and we try to match that lifestyle for you. So these tiny homes require intelligent design to make the most out of every square inch. With our custom approach, we can optimize your layout to suit your requirements, ensuring every nook or cranny serves a purpose. Making your space booth efficient and living. So if you want to extend your loft, or if you want to add a secondary loft, or if you want to do a downstairs bedroom without a loft, we can definitely do that as well for you. So there's a lot of things that we can do. If you see our homes, we do have our standard layouts, but a lot of our customers tend to customize it and do some editing. And if they don't like our layouts, we can also do it too as well. Of course, it's going to be cost effective. It's going to be an additional charge to be able to do customizations for your home. But yeah, these are endless possibilities. We embrace these custom designs for you. You can also send us layouts of what you want as your tiny house, and we can kind of accommodate and try to figure out what we can have for a solution for your tiny house. But yeah, that's I'm going to be showing you guys some of the custom homes that we have built. We have done several. I'm going to try to get some pictures together, therefore you can see them, these clips. I'll put them as a slideshow, therefore you can see these homes that we have customized for our customer, and you can see how they were able to do these customization layouts when we brought their ideas up to life. Okay, so check this out, guys. There you have it, folks. You see the tiny houses that we have done from our previous customers. They customized it how they wanted, they envisioned it, and we constructed it. And that's one of the things that we are capable of doing for anybody that wants to create a custom tiny house. If you don't like our layouts, or if you don't like our standard layouts that we have, feel free to request any type of editing or customizations, and we'll do a 3D model rendering with our finest 3D model architects, and they can definitely make sure it looks just like the way you want it, and we'll make sure we will do it on your request. So like I said, don't be afraid to let us know if you guys want to do any type of customizations or anything for your tiny house. We can definitely do it for you, okay? You guys seen the pictures, there's just more pictures to show, but I'll just give you guys a little tease so you guys can actually see what we are able to do and capable of doing. We've sold over 200, 300 homes already, so you guys can definitely, go into our Instagram, go into our Google, our website, reviews, and also Facebook and all our social media platforms where you can get more in that vision of all the visions that we actually created for these customers. So yeah, feel free to let us know if you guys have any questions. This is gonna sum up the video. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Make sure you go onto our Instagram and give us a follow. We'll be doing giveaways. We're giving out free shirts for the first 5 winners. I think I just called out the 5 winners already, but stay tuned because we're gonna keep doing that as well. Check out our TikTok videos. We're gonna be doing some trending videos soon coming up, and I'm gonna be doing more of the editing and videoing for you guys. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to let us know. Just text us, message us. You guys have all our information there on our Instagram, our YouTube, and you guys can just reach out to us, and we'll be more than happy to assist you guys with any future questions that you guys might have. Okay, y'all stay tuned. Y'all take it easy. PTH.